Hello and welcome you all for this online video session on the topic prototyping of product or services. So, under the Institutions Innovation Council IIC cell at WIT Solapur, myself Dr. Vipul Kondekar. So, let us expose and explore this what do you mean by prototyping and how I can have different prototyping of different types of products, maybe software products, hardware products, and how I can have the prototyping of the different services also. So, first thing is why we need to have the prototypes. So, what is the power of turning these prototypes gives you this power of turning these ideas into realities. So, when you have some concept in your mind, you want to build some product. So, what is required is this prototype is playing important role. So, it's a bridging between the concept and the final product what you expect, which you are going to launch in the market. So, you can have some iterations when you are building the prototypes. At the time of prototype itself, you can have some iterations, and then it builds a confidence and trust among the developer that yes, this product is going to be a successful product in the market. When you are having some idea in your mind, concept in your mind, so first thing is you will go for developing the prototype for the same. So there are two types of prototypes, like hardware prototype and software prototype. Means most of the times when you have the problem statement or the idea related to some software part, so you need to develop a software prototype for it. Okay, and then some mechanical components are there, some circuitry, some hardware boards are there. So these hardware prototypes are required. So different perspectives mentioned here with reference to the hardware prototype and software prototype. So in hardware prototypes, you can go for this proof of concept, which validates this core concept, technicality aspect of that, as well as the feasibility aspect. So works likes and looks likes type of prototypes can be created. And in software prototypes, so you can have this wireframes, mock-ups, minimum variable products, and beta versions of the different softwares. So these are coming under the software prototype. So let us try to explore this hardware prototyping. So it's like let us say you want to build some electronic products. So how this prototyping will come, will have the stages is like basically you are coming from idea to a circuit level. So what is required here is maybe first you will start with the conceptual design. So maybe the circuit diagram you will be drawing, so some initial stages, and then after drawing the circuit diagram, I come to know that these are the different components, these are different elements required to build that particular circuit. So those component selection will be coming into the picture as the next step. Then you mount all those components onto some PCB, and then you build the PCB board and you test it. So some different assemblers, compilers are required, and then you build that, you test that, and then you will be having different multiple iterations. So you expect some results in the first iteration, may not be getting the result, then you may have some modification in the design. Accordingly you can have the different components added to it. Again you build, you test it, and then till you get the satisfactory performance, you can have these number of iterations and refinements taking place at the prototype level. So like that, if you want to have the software prototyping, so these are the different things which are essential. Like first you have to go through the user needs, then some front end you will be making, so visual designing, and then comes this MVP design, minimum viable product to quickly test these core functionalities, and then there can be agile iterations taking place and refinements in this particular software prototype. So these are the different prototyping tools which will require. So if you want to have these hardware prototypes, so hardware accelerators are there. So the tools like 3D printing, laser cutting tool, then modular dev boards. So these are some examples or the tools for this hardware prototyping. And for software part, so there are different simulation environments, there are some cloud based testing services available. So version control is one more important aspect, like git repositories you can have for that. So these are different tools which will help you in prototyping the software part. So then comes this testing and validation. Remember, you make some prototype, but until you validate the performance of that particular prototype, you cannot think of developing the product. So the heart of this prototyping is the testing and validation. So for hardware validation, there can be functional tests, stress tests, environmental tests carried out. For software validation, usability tests, performance benchmarking can be done, and bug tracking. So these are the different things involved in software validation. So these are some case studies where you want to have a prototype for the smart lock. So the product what you want to build is a smart lock, so which will be Bluetooth enable lock, and then that can be controlled via your mobile phone. And the challenge in that is energy efficiency for long battery life, because it requires some power to work for getting connectivity, and then power saving communication option may be like Bluetooth. So you can go for the solution in terms of integrated low energy Bluetooth module in that, and then you get the result. So after prototyping, there are different considerations, like from prototype to the production. So these are the considerations you should have in your mind, that design of manufacturing should be done, various certifications and compliance required. So you have to deal with that, partnership, and then quality and reliability also you have to look at, and then you have to ensure that these parameters like this quality parameters, then required certification, everything is up to the mark. Then only you can think of having the production based on the successful prototype made. So this is about this prototyping journey. So MBAS iterations will be having different tools, and you will require teamwork for that, and you need to have some innovations so that the prototype you built and prototype works successfully, then you can think of implementing that prototype into the product. So this is all about the prototyping, software prototyping as well as hardware prototyping. So thank you.